a lot of users have shared that several apps on their Xiaomi Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G on HyperOS keeps crashing, freezing, or just taking them back into the home screen whenever they want to open it. Now, if you want to know why this happens and how to quickly fix it, first, let's go ahead and force quit all the apps and windows, and then give your phone a forced restart. Press and hold the volume up and power button until the screen goes black. Just release them and let the phone restart by itself. Now, one of the biggest reasons for app crash is minor software glitch, and a restart will save you at these times. If your apps are still crashing, from settings to about phone to your device's storage, just go ahead, check, and make sure your storage is not almost full. You can also scroll down a bit and then free up the junk, temporary, and the cache files from here. And also, you can go to Deep Clean, and from here, you can delete large files that you do not need anymore. And also, you can uninstall unused apps and games from your device so the other apps can run properly. Alright guys, so next, what you can do, make sure the app doesn't have any pending update. So for that, open Google Play Store, tap on your profile to manage apps and device, to updates. All the available app updates will be listed in here. Just go ahead, update all. Now, apart from that, now you can open up settings, scroll down for apps. First, search for that specific app or apps that's misbehaving. Like I'm gonna search Instagram, and whatever app you are on, simply tap on this clear data button, and from here clear cache for that app. Press OK to confirm. Also, you can search for System Launcher, Google Play Services, System UI, and System UI plugin, and clear cache for all of them by the exact same process. And lastly, don't forget to check if there is any pending software on your device. If a system update is available, just go ahead and install it. And that's it. Hopefully, all the steps we've shown you should fully fix the app crashing issue on your Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching.